How to fix Java exception has occurred error. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if you have a Java based server and when you try to run it, you keep getting this error, let's go ahead and fix this issue. For that, open up your preferred browser in your PC. And in the search bar, you want to go ahead and simply search for Java download or simply go ahead and type in java.com. Once you are in the official page of Java, scroll below. Then from here tap on Developer Downloads. It's gonna open up this page in your PC, scroll below, and you'll find Java SE Development Kit right over here. Now inside here, select Windows and download the latest version of Java Kit. Go ahead and download it, and once the download has been completed, click onto it. Then you wanna go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction. Tap on Next, then tap on Next again. Once the installation has been completed, tap on Close. Now go ahead and test if the error is fixed or not. And just like so, that is simply how you can solve the Java exception error. Before you wrap up, here are some quick tips to avoid Java error in the future. Always keep Java updated to the latest version. Ensure your Java installation path is correctly set in your system variable. Also use correct Java version for your program. Some older program may need previous Java sessions. And that's how you fix a Java exception has occurred error. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.